Hi, I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. So, how has your day been? What about joining me in the kitchen as I'm gonna make mustard leaf rice? So, this is the main ingredient, mustard leaves. For those who doesn't know, these are used to make salted vegetables. But we are using fresh ones today for the rice. So when the pan is hot, put in the ginger, the star anise and the cinnamon sticks, as well as the black pepper. Next, we have the dried shrimps. Toss them all together. Drizzle in the cooking oil. Toss them, then put in the garlic, the onions and the carrot. Next, put in the sliced chicken breast meat. Now, the star of the show, mustard leaves. Put in the stems first, stir it to soften it before you put in the leaves, because the stems take longer to cook. Next, we put in the dried shiitakes which has been soaked, and also the chilies. Add in salt, pepper and oyster sauce. Add in some water. Stir fry all the ingredients together until the mustard leaves soften. Add in the pre-cooked rice, preferably chilled overnight. Stir fry the ingredients together with the rice. Sprinkle the brown sugar evenly onto the rice, followed by the Chinese wine. Stir fry a little bit more after you've put in the Chinese wine and the brown sugar, and it's done. Let's taste, especially the rice, which is very important, and some of the mustard greens. My mom would have approved this. If you enjoyed this, kindly like and share my video. Do subscribe to my channel and do comment to share your thoughts with me. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!